Hello everybody, my name is Will and welcome to the Intro to iTwin Platform API course. The iTwin Platform is a growing set of APIs for building digital twin applications. The iTwin Platform features APIs for data synchronization, visualization, reality data to give some context to your digital twin. We have APIs to visualize and track changes, as well as validation to ensure that your data is accurate and meets a set of standards, as well as many more. When one or more of these APIs are used in an application, the app is considered to be powered by iTwin. And utilizing the platform allows developers to quickly bring a valuable digital twin solution to market. The platform handles a lot of the heavy lifting, especially regarding back-end concerns, and this enables developers to focus on creating apps and solutions that bring value to their end users. And so this is the intro course, where we're going to cover some basics of developing on the iTwin platform, the basics that you're going to use throughout your iTwin journey. We're going to have 2 chapters in this course. The first is resources. We'll cover the documentation. We're going to touch a bit on the OAuth protocol, and finally how to configure your iTwin client. The second chapter is going to be development, where we will develop an app together that utilizes iTwin platform, and it makes the calls in a few different ways. So the app that we're going to develop together is going to utilize 2 fundamental APIs, projects and iModels. So a project represents an engineering project of an infrastructure asset. The projects API is used to manage team members, team roles, and other administrative type function. iModels, on the other hand, belong to a project, and they contain the history and design engineering data of a digital twin. If you don't have access to an existing project in iModel, I dropped a link in the description on how to get access to one. So I chose those 2 APIs for this introductory course as an example because they're fundamental to how the other APIs work, and they're also a bit simpler. But the skills and technique that we're going to go through are going to be applicable to any iTwin Platform API. Other courses will be made available for more advanced iTwin Platform APIs that'll go over the details and nuances of that particular API in much more detail. But this is the intro course, and we're going to start with resources, which is really a great place to start learning about iTwin Platform APIs, and I'll see you there.